Let's bring in Chetan Jain now to discuss his views on the market as well as how he would like to trade the Nifty as well as a few stocks going into the March series. Chetan, thanks very much for taking out the time. Let's start off first with your call on the index and how brutal has been the knock over the last month.
Good afternoon. First of all, if we analyze the Nifty from last month perspective, it has seen a huge sustained selling pressure with almost price decline of more than 5%. So overall, looking at the present scenario, the bounce back which we are expecting from the current levels can be highly probable from these current levels. So to play that bounce back from current levels, we are not giving a naked future buy, but on option front, one can initiate a bull call spread strategy to play that bounce back on a very limited risk and limited reward side. So one can initiate 5700 call buy around 75 and sell 5900 call around 15 rupees. So overall costing in this strategy would be 60 odd points and reward would be 140. For traders, those who are very short term in nature, they can keep a stop loss of 25 odd points on premiums and can expect a target of 50 plus levels on premiums. Devina.
What is the base on the index that you're anticipating? Because most technical analysts that we've been catching up with have said that 5650 seems to be holding strong as of now as a base.
Devina, on technical front as well as on derivative front, both are seeing the same level somewhere around 5650 to 5700. If we look at the option concentration data, 5700 maximum put open interest is being built up. So likely to see a strong support area for the market in near term. So till the time it is holding above that levels or somewhere around 5650 levels, that is technical level to watch out. So that's why this is a riskier call to play in a naked future at this juncture. So we are recommending an option strategy where risk is also limited and reward is also limited. But the probability of getting reward is higher in terms of risk-reward ratio.
Okay. You mentioned to us that you would like to initiate a bull call spread ratio. If you could also run us through the break-even points, for the viewers who are watching, so it's more easily understandable as to when exactly they need to exit.
Basically, we will divide this strategy for two perspectives. Those who are traders in nature, they can simply buy 5700 call that is trading somewhere around 75 and sell 5900 call that is trading somewhere around 15 rupees. So our overall costing would be 60 points on premium side. So on that premiums that we are paying, one can keep a stop of around 40 or 35 levels. So till the time that premium do not decreases to 25 levels, traders can stay with this strategy, and if market bounces from these levels, then rise in premiums at 5700 would be higher. So overall that costing which we have paid, which is 60 rupees, will increase slowly, and if it reaches around 100 plus levels, then traders can get exit from this strategy. Whereas on other side, those who are looking at the expiry perspective, overall monthly view who are taking, they can initiate this strategy, and the break-even point would be 5760 levels. If the market closes on expiry basis above these levels, then entire strategy would be in profit, and the maximum profit would be earned at 5900 or above these levels on expiry basis.
All right, that's on the Nifty then. Let's get down to some stock ideas as well. The first up is Hexaware from the mid-cap IT pack. You're going naked long on the futures.
The counter is seeing huge accumulation. If you look at the last month data itself, 80 to 85 range was a range where huge accumulation was seen. A built-up of long positions have been witnessed in this counter. So we are quite bullish on this stock. One can initiate long at current juncture, and for traders 84, 83.50 would be the stop loss, and higher side levels could be 92, 93 levels. For short term perspective, one can start accumulating between 80 to 5 levels and can expect a target of 100 plus levels in next few weeks.
Okay, that's Hexaware for you. HUL is the next one. It's a covered call strategy, which means you're more selectively positive on it, but you're also going to go ahead and shorten out of the money call option to protect the downside.
The counter has seen a sustained selling pressure in last 3 months and likely to place a short-term bottom around 450 levels. So to play on a naked future, it would be a risky bet at this point of time. So we are initiating a strategy, covered call strategy in this counter. In this strategy, one has to buy naked future somewhere around 447 levels, and one has to sell out of the money call 460 strike price, that is trading somewhere around 7 rupees. So overall costing of the future will reduce to 440 levels. So here we are initiating long on future. So we are advising to keep a stop loss of 433 levels on downside. So overall risk would be limited to 7 odd points in this entire strategy. And if the counter gives a strong bounce back from these levels and takes support around 450 levels, then we are expecting 460, 475 levels in this series itself. So our reward would be somewhere around 20 odd points if market or the stock closes 460 or above levels on expiry.
Okay, got that. And the last one that comes in is Ambuja. The cement as a pack is witnessing a lot of heavy selling pressure today. This stock is something that you want to sell.
Devina, the counter has breached the horizontal monthly support today itself. 185 was the crucial level for this counter, and today it has breached and trading below that level. If it closes below these levels, then it can immediately target 177, and below that 170 could be the next level to watch out in next few weeks. So one can short this counter in any bounce back around 186, 187 levels, keeping a stop loss of 193, and can expect a target of 177 or below levels in next few trading sessions.
Got it, Chetan. Thanks a lot for that. Really appreciate you taking out the time and joining us with your views here.